All right, guys, we're going to start this tractor up, pull it out where you can see in the light to show you what they did to the D17 that I just discovered, and then somebody removed it, so I've got to fix it. They on these older tractors, they drilled into the intake manifolds to use the vacuum in the case of a power outage to milk the cows. There was a diaphragm vacuum to milk, used to milk cows, and when the electricity went out, they could run a hose to the vacuum in these things, and this tractor has one on it. Looks like a little faucet. But anyhow, I'll get it out of there and wipe it down a little bit too. But hang tight, guys. I'm going to have to continue these to keep them in shorts. But anyhow, as soon as I get the hood off the D17 after it cools, I will show you how they drilled that out, and then I'll have to find a plug and put in it. But you see, this tractor has one right here. And that was made, they took a hose on to run to the vacuum line to the diaphragm milker, so the cows could still be milked when the electricity was out. So hang on there, guys. We're going to try to keep them short. You know, don't want to bore you too much, don't want to give you a lot of fluff, but you know, the old timers were smart. They were really smart about things. I think their education 100 years ago were even better than what we get throughout high schools today. So hang on, guys, we'll show you more. Stay tuned for part 3 of what's going on with the exhaust system on my D17 tractor.